what's going on here.
So we've only been here like 2 hours and it's already stormy.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Finally, we are driving again, back in the road, and we have a really good campground review for you today.
Yes.
Where did we go?
So this review is about Yogi Bear's Jellystone Park Camp Resort in Williamsport, Maryland.
That was a long name, right?
Yes.
You don't want me to say that on camera, right?
No.
That would make for a lot of bloopers. So we have been wanting to visit a Jellystone Park for a long time. We have heard so many things about it, and we finally did. We received an invitation to stay at their park, and we want to tell you what we think about it, our honest review.
One thing that you should know about our trip is that it was raining and cold for the summertime. The one and only full day that we had at the campground.
Yeah, because we were there pretty early in the summer, right?
Yeah, we went Father's Day, right after Father's Day weekend.
Yeah.
Actually the day that we arrived, it was incredibly hot.
Very hot, yeah.
And then it rained and it cooled down like 30 degrees.
Yeah.
So it was very...
So we did our best to capture good footage for you guys, but bear with us. Regardless of the rain, the activities program in this campground was amazing.
Yes.
We were entertained, the kids were happy and entertained the entire time that we were there. Should we start talking about the activities program real quick?
I think that's a great way to start because we actually tried, since it was cool and rainy, we tried to do a lot of the activities, which we don't always do. Sometimes we're just enjoying the pool or we're just enjoying relaxing and we
Sitting
don't...
like potatoes.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah.
So some of the activities that we did, let me get my notes.
Yeah.
We got to do spin art with the kids. They had spin art and tie-dye shirts that you could do.
That was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun. They really enjoyed that. They also had glitter tattoos. Remember those? Did you get one? You didn't get one.
I got a dolphin right on my hip, right here.
Me and the kids got it, and it lasted for like a good week. So those were cool. They really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I think that their activities program was a little bit out of the cliche, same things that every campground has. You know, they had a few different options. Wow. 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 Yeah. Yeah, wow. Wow. The ninja course was another good addition, right?
There was a very cool like obstacle course indoors, so that was great for our rainy day. That the kids absolutely loved. You'll see quite a bit of footage of that. Our little one was asking to go back the next day and the next day.
One thing, they have movie night every single night.
Yeah.
And they were also prepared for rainy days, so they have their outdoors movie theater. But for rainy nights, like the night that we were there, they had a pavilion where they do the movies. That was really nice.
Yes, it was definitely nice that they had some alternatives for when it's inclement weather, because that's the sucky part, is like when it rains, it feels like you have nothing to do.
Yeah, there's nothing like being stuck inside the trailer at a campground with 2 kids or 3 or 4, on a rainy day. So they did a phenomenal job at, at keeping the things moving. One last thing, I know we are spending a lot of time. The one thing that I also appreciated is that we arrived, our first day was a Monday, and many campgrounds, they pretty much shut down their activities during the weekdays. But the fact that they kept their activities program going strong during the week, that was really appreciated.
Yes.
Ton of other things, the foam party, which we missed.
Yeah, we missed because the location was wrong on the brochure, and by the time we found it, it was over. So, yes, definitely. And their staff. The activities staff that we met, they were so nice and friendly. So that always makes a difference. Okay, so some other things that the campground had that we really enjoyed was they had several different playgrounds. They had one kind of near our site, and then they had one near the main attractions like the pool and everything. So we'd kind of bounce back and forth to some of those. They had mini golf, which we did. We don't always do mini golf because our 5-year-old has an attention span this short. But we did do mini golf, and we had a good time with that. You beat me by 1 point. 1 point. We also, they had a bounce pillow. They had 2, so a smaller one for the littles and a bigger one for the older kids. That was nice. They had, besides the ninja course, they had laser tag, archery tag.
2 pretty nice gaga pits.
They had.
What about the pool? Let's talk about the pool.
So really big, nice size pool, nice splash pad.
Yeah.
It wasn't as grandiose as I thought for being like a water park.
Yes.
Because there were pretty much just 2 big slides. However, they are in construction for
A lazy river, and it's almost done, so it's gonna be ready next year.
summer.
So that's gonna be a nice addition to their water park.
Yeah, yeah, that would have added a little bit. Not that we were in the water because it was cold, but that would have added a little bit more to that.
Yeah. Oh, they also had the cantina by the pool.
Great. We did that one day when we were at the pool. Got food at the canteen. It was good food. The kids enjoyed it. So that's always kind of nice when you don't have to cook, but you don't also have to leave the campground.
Yeah. Also, for an additional fee, of course, you have to make a reservation. You can get your private cabana at the pool. And they have a refrigerator, they have TV, they have nice furniture, a fan on a really hot day in the summer.
A TV in the cabana?
Yeah.
Oh, why didn't we get one?
Because I work really hard to fulfill your expensive taste, but I'm not cutting it.
One other thing that we really, really wanted to try, but we didn't get a chance, was the hot tubs that they bring to your site.
Oh, yeah.
We called like the week before, and we thought we wouldn't have any problem getting one because it was a Monday that we were there, but they were all booked up. So
yeah, so they bring a whole hot tub and put it right in front of your RV, and I really wanted that.
Especially on that cold day, that would have been nice. But we
lesson learned. We have to
book ahead if you want that hot tub. Okay, so a few things that we should probably just tell you about this campground that are important to keep in mind if you're thinking of going here for a vacation or a trip. One, a lot of the extra activities are additional fees.
Yeah.
So the ninja course, the archery, the laser tag too, those are of course, like the spin art and stuff. We had to purchase what we wanted to put the spin art on. So all of those are additional fees. So just keep that in mind if you're thinking of this as a trip, because you want to plan. Your kids are going to ask.
Yes.
They're going to ask to do everything.
They always ask for the things you have to pay for.
Right. So you want to keep in mind like your budget and what you want to do while you're there. The other thing is when you're booking your site, we had a premium site, so we thought that meant we had a nicer site.
Yeah, that was a little confusing, right?
Yeah. And it turns out the premium sites are regular RV sites, and the red carpet sites are, maybe people know this if they've booked at Jellystone, but we didn't know that. So when we got there, we were like,
yeah, we thought we were going to have like the concrete patio with furniture and a nicer fire pit, but it was just a regular RV site.
It was just a regular site, which is fine, but knowing that ahead of time would have been nice because we were confused.
Talking about the sites, something I really liked is that they have options. If you like open, sunny fields, buddy sites next to each other, they have this really big open fields. And if you like the more woodsy camping experience, really shaded side, you can find that. I actually made a little note of the sites that I would like to stay at when we visit this campground. So in the notes below, I'm gonna put my favorite sites in case you want to check them out.
And they also had a variety of cabins too. My brother came down and they stayed in a cabin, which was nice. So they have a variety of different things to appease every camper, right? Okay, and the other thing is that the campground was pretty spread out. So we recommend if you don't like walking everywhere, or if you have little kids, to bring either your bikes
or a high
rent.
maintenance wife. I'm talking about, older people.
Yeah.
I would never say that about you.
You should never say that about me.
Because you're not like that.
That's not true. Okay, so I see you. So if you don't want to be walking around everywhere, then we recommend renting a golf cart or bringing a golf cart, obviously, if you have one.
Yeah.
And they do. They have a lot of golf carts for rent. My brother and I both rented a golf cart, and it was very nice. One more thing I forgot to mention, the comfort stations. That was something that was unique that I hadn't seen at a campground before, is like they had what we thought were just, a bathroom. And sometimes when you're in a bathroom, like you're using the community bathrooms, there's just shower stalls, and it's a little awkward because you're trying to dress in the shower stall and not get your clothes. Okay, I'm going on about this. But they had a private bathroom that was like a toilet, a sink, and a shower,
everything
all in one room. So that was very helpful when I was trying to get the kids dressed and ready and changed.
So for our tent campers, there you go. That's good information to know.
Yes.
It's something that we are trying to keep in mind when we make these videos, that not all of our audience are RVers. So yeah, this is a very good campground to go tent camping, or to use a cabin, maybe a small rustic cabin that doesn't have a bathroom. Then you'll cover. Yeah.
Okay. I think that was I think we covered all of the things that we wanted to talk about.
Yeah.
We had a great time at this campground.
Double thumbs up to Jellystone. I think we definitely want to visit other parks in the future. We definitely have to visit the one near your home, right? Your
hometown. The Jellystone in Quarryville, which is right down the street from my parents.
Yeah.
We haven't been there yet.
Yeah. But
we'll get there.
We really like this campground. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking with us. Please, if you can, share this video with any RV friends that you have, and leave us a comment and a like. This really helps our channel get out there, and it tells YouTube that you are enjoying our channel and that we are producing content that you like and enjoy. Yeah. Okay. I'm just worried you saw them leave a comment. They might say bad things. Don't say mean things. Yeah. Go a little easy on us. All right, guys. Take care. Bye. See you later.